Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Corey. The video you're watching is a condensed version of about a 4-hour project where we installed a Memphis Shades fairing on her Indian Scout, her 2000 Indian Scout. We did hit a few little bumps and hiccups along the way just because we're beginners and we don't really know what we're doing with these bikes. But all the same, the biggest takeaway point I have to make is that it's something that her and I did as a couple. And we really enjoy working on things together, projects around the house or, just out and about. So that's the key thing to take away from this is as you're watching. Anyway, huge shout out to Memphis Shades for hooking the wife up with the fairing to demo. We've got it on and it is a pretty phenomenal product. So thank you again to Memphis Shades. Enjoy the video, sit back, relax, and have some fun watching the shenanigans.
It's gonna be the end of me. And since when did time become my biggest enemy? I don't think it's smart standing so close to me. Cause at 11:59 I can feel it in my spine taking over me. After midnight we're out of control. We out of control. Cause after midnight we let out the ghost. We out of control. It's like the Rocky Horror or some sort of freak show. We're on the border of complete disorder, just let go. So when the clock strikes midnight, everyone lose control. And let the freaks come out tonight. It's midnight, it feels right, everybody's acting ugly. If you're a freak, be proud of it, you got it from your mother. And I have rather good manners, I just choose not to employ them. It's about that time for you to embrace your flaws and enjoy them. Everybody in the back, bring your ass up to the front and never mind the fuss because we do what we want. And you feeling how I'm feeling, put your hands up to the ceiling and say we don't need no clocks, let the motherfuckers burn. After midnight we're out of control. We out of control, we out of control, we out of control. It's cause after midnight we let out the ghost. We out of control, we out of control, we out of control. It's like the Rocky Horror or some sort of freak show. We're on the border of complete disorder, just let go. So when the clock strikes midnight, everyone lose control. And let the freaks come out tonight. I don't think it's smart standing so close to me. So close, cause at 11:59 I can feel it in my spine taking over me. I feel it taking over me. Smart standing so close to me. So close, cause at 11:59 I can feel it in my spine taking over me. After midnight we're out of control. We out of control, we out of control, we out of control. It's cause after midnight we let out the ghost. We out of control, we out of control, we out of control. It's like the Rocky Horror or some sort of freak show. We're on the border of complete disorder, just let go. So when the clock strikes midnight, everyone lose control. And let the freaks come out tonight. And let the freaks come out tonight. And let the freaks come out tonight. After midnight we're out of control. We out of control, we out of control, we out of control. Let's go. After midnight we're out of I said the road